It is officially spring. The sun is out, the vibes are vibing in my summer era, and it's literally just hit spring. It is slightly warm today. I will be honest, I stepped outside this morning to go walk Charlie, and I was like, why is it low-key warm today? Me and my sister all week, we've been talking about how we wanted to go to Lander Fields, basically this huge, gorgeous park in Cardiff. Today is the day. I've made chocolate covered strawberries that I'm gonna bring with us. I have packed the colouring book, bringing Charlie with us. It's gonna be so fun. So I've just been getting ready because I'm gonna want to take photos. I'm actually wearing my Jeff Avenue Summer Berries dress, red cardigan from New Look. Only fitting that I started a new vlog today as I'm doing lots of spring themed things this week. I really want to do a spring day in my life some point in this video. Bring you guys along with me because I'm seeing some of my friends this weekend. I thought I'd start the vlog today on a beautiful sunny day. Just made chocolate covered strawberries about a little bit ago, so I'm letting them cool. They look a bit crazy because of the leaves, but I'm gonna cut them off once they're cool. March today, and I'm going to be vlogging today. I am going to be seeing my friend Kiara and also Cantrell, which is going to be so exciting. I'm so excited to see them. I haven't actually seen them since I think last July because we met at the Joby event in London, and it's such a small world because we all live in Cardiff, which is crazy. I think Cantrell actually lives in London. But yeah, so I'm really excited to see them today. On another note, I really wanted to get some new flowers because my other ones were dead. So when I went to the supermarket yesterday, I grabbed these ones and I just feel like they're so colourful, so pretty, and I've really just kind of brightened up my room a bit. So I thought I could show you guys the new flowers. Also, last night I did bake some chocolate chip banana bread. I've been so good because I've been going to the gym every day, so I've been doing lots and lots of healthy eating. It's not healthy if there's no balance. So I did do some baking last night, and it actually turned out really good. I had a slice last night and I thought I could have some with my breakfast this morning. Slither with my morning coffee, and it's perfect. It came out perfect. Enough yapping, let's go downstairs, let's go eat, let's go make some morning coffee. I finished my first roll of capsules, so now I get to use my vanilla ones. So I'm happy about that. Today's gonna be a good day, I really feel it.
I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed, of you I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime. Need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. Can't spend time alone. Give you my hoodie just so you can smell my cologne. Don't like all this distance. I want you close, I'm missing your existence. Fill my head with some clouds, baby.
Gym was good. I did like 40 minutes on the treadmill, which was like honestly quite slow, and it was sunset as well, so I got golden hour. And I filmed a gym video because the gym was practically empty, so I got to shoot for Gilly Hicks, which is actually the jacket that I'm wearing today. I have it down below, but I'm working with them. I needed to take some content in my jacket, and I thought there's no better place than the gym because that's where I've been wearing it. I love cooking my tomatoes lately, so I'll just low-key kind of cut them up and then just slow cook them, I guess. I don't know. Just tomatoes that I got. Today was so much fun. I had such a good time with Kiara and Cantrell. They're such nice girls. Like, let's go for coffee today. So we went to the Black Sheep, which was so fun. You guys saw, and we just had a bit of a chit chat and catch up, which was so wholesome. I had a very good time. And today I'm actually going to go and meet my friend Joanna for brunch this morning, and we're actually going to be doing this really fun flower trend where we're going to bring a flower that represents each other. And she saw it on TikTok. It was just her birthday, so I've got her a few things for her birthday. I got some skincare, went to Lush, got her a cute little bubble bar, and then I'm going to go grab her a card this morning before I meet her. But yeah, I'm really excited to see her. We're going to go to this place in Cardiff. It looks really good for brunch / breakfast. I haven't eaten personally, so I'm really excited to eat. I'm going to get the bus shortly because I am meeting her at 12 and it's a Sunday, so the buses only come like once every hour. This is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing this Brandy Melville sweater and then my jeans with my Uggs. I'm super excited for today. I feel like today's gonna be a good day. I really hope it doesn't rain though, because it does look like it's gonna rain. Today. Also, I think the gym is empty. I'm really down that long. I think I've got about 40 minutes before I need to get the last bus home because this is Sunday. I really need to go. I feel like that girl. Because I'm about to go straighten it, but today I'm going to be going to Birmingham with my mum and my sister, and we are going to be having a huge shopping girly day out. And I'm going to be vlogging, of course, because when was the last time I vlogged, firstly, and also I can't resist a good shopping vlog. I cannot. I love filming when I go shopping, so I feel like this is the perfect opportunity to do that. I've never actually been to Birmingham before. I think they also have Blank Street, which you guys know I'm all over because I'm obsessed with Blank Street. I have a few few shops in mind I want to go to. They've got a huge Sephora, so I'm really excited for all of these fun things. I'm just getting ready. I'm gonna go straighten my hair downstairs quickly and then we're gonna head to the station. Today I'm just wearing this outfit from Hollister. So I'm wearing this baby doll top, which is absolutely adorable. I'm so obsessed with it. And then I'm wearing this navy blue maxi skirt from Hollister as well. This tiered navy skirt. I'm literally so obsessed with this outfit. I feel very summery, very cute. Back and forth about what bag I want to bring. I think I'm just gonna bring my tote bag because I feel like I'll be able to fit more in there, and I think it does go with my outfit more. Tote bag from this small business called Lou in Copenhagen. Switching up the perfumes today, so I'm wearing the Ivory and Cashmere Body Mist from Bath & Body Works. I'm literally so obsessed. Mr. Dior perfume. It's unbeatable. I don't know which one I'm gonna get.
Get the macaroon.
The macaroon.
You should get the cinnamon.
I think I'm gonna get this one. This little Bullring macaroon. It is 1:15 and we are in Selfridges. We've just been to Sephora and we also went to the fish and chip stand at Jellycat, which was really fun. The bag is sealed, so I will give you guys a haul when I'm back home. However, we did go to Sephora. We did quite a bit of damage, so I will be doing a haul. Got here about 2 hours ago. Just been popping around. We're at the Bullring though, and it's absolutely huge, so it's like low-key kind of overwhelming but so fun at the same time. I'm gonna give you guys a Sephora haul now. From Sephora, I got the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Food Mask for my hair. This stuff just looked really good. Eva got her nails done. Look how cute they are. No, they're not. They take like weeks to outgrow. They're supposed to be like that. A new foundation, and it's the Glossier Stretch Fluid Foundation. I'm in the shade Very Light 3. 2 Summer Friday lip balms. I'm all out, and if you know me, then you guys know that I'm obsessed with Summer Fridays. Sweet Mint and the vanilla one. I also got the Laneige S'mores and Kisses set. I've seen this everywhere, but I've never been able to like get my hands on it. I got a Sephora face mask, and then me and my mum chose to get the very hyped up Kerastase hair oil. I'm basically just trying to find like loads of colour safe products.
Message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities.